friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you will use egg white face mask to get rid of sagging skin, acne prone skin, large open pores, and it also helps to reduce the sign of aging. Egg white is very beneficial for the skin. So if you are suffering from this thing I mentioned, you have to use this ingredient. It's going to work perfectly for your skin. So let's get into the video. The thing you'll be needing is egg. But here you're not going to make use of the full egg. It depends on what you are treating. But because I have said that we're going to be treating sagging skin, open pores, and so many skin sagginess, then you have to be making use of only the egg white. Egg white helps to tighten skin. So if you are aging fast, then you need egg white. Remove the egg yolk. But if you have dry skin, you have to make use of the egg yolk. But because we are treating sagging skin and open pores, you have to make use of only the egg white. Ingredient is honey. Raw honey helps to balance bacteria on your skin, which makes it great product to use for acne, and it will also help to get rid of dark spots and moisturize your skin perfectly. White tightening, it also helps to moisturize it. So that is the second ingredient we'll be adding. Add 3 spoons of honey. Last thing I'll be adding here is 1 teaspoon of carrot oil. Carrot is rich in carotene, which will help to whiten up your skin and create pigmentation. Mix well. So it's ready to be used. To use this face mask, you have to use your brush, cotton wool, anything you have. You can even use your hand if it's neat. Then use any neat products. That's what you have to use to apply it. Then use it on your face. So after applying this remedy on your face, you have to let it dry. Please let it dry. Leave it for at least 30 good minutes for it to dry on your face, because when it's dry, that's when you will notice the tightening effect of the egg white, and that's when it will tighten the large open pores, acne on your face, and helps to get rid of sagging skin. So leave it to dry. Leave it for at least 30 good minutes before washing it off with cold water. Hey guys, so after 30 minutes, you will notice a skin tightening effect. Like I said earlier, your face will start tightening. Even this place will start doing as if it's shrinking. You understand? That's the properties of skin tightening it has. So you see this place has dried up. It has dried. It will be smooth to the touch. All these places very dry. The egg white has dried up on your face. So at this point, what you have to do is to wash it off with cold water. Wash it off with cold water, and it will help to get rid of acne, large open pores, and reduce wrinkles on your face. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thanks.